Hello friends, on the channel that is, today I'll show you how to block websites on Chrome for Android. For this, open Chrome and we need to go and find Next DNS here. Let's go to the site. I don't want to expose too much here. Now click try it now. Here, and here we click parental control. Now click here, add site, and accordingly add the site or game we need to block. Here, you can also enable safe search, which will block all undesirable content for certain categories of users. There's a deny list where we write, for example, the site we need, like YouTube, yes. That means the domain should be youtube.com or other sites, yes. Basically just the site name and .com. Thanks for watching.